So let's go to chest and lungs. All right. So when I cannot process my sadness, my grief, my loss, even hopelessness, and meet it, as well as my trauma, what essentially happens is that area becomes cold. The chest area starts to get cold and frozen. So this is the fastest way to have depression. This is the fastest way to experience disassociation. This is the fastest way to experience numbness inside your inner being, and maybe it even becomes physical eventually. But it's the frozen tears, the unprocessed stuff, us not understanding that every challenging experience contains a new possibility and contains wisdom. You just need to sit with it, acknowledge it, tell the truth, and then learn what you need to learn from it. It's not just learning the lesson, it's also going, what did I choose not to do before that now I learned that it's possible to do, and then I can start to work with